Hi Mike, what are you doing home today?
I am working from home now. I watched a video at amnactionplan.com that revealed how to start an online membership site.
amnactionplan.com, tell me more.
It's a 100% free video that reveals how to start a business online. That it taught me how to make residual income.
What is residual income?
It's where I do the work once and get paid over and over again.
That sounds great. How can I make residual income?
Go to am.nactionplan.com.
Thanks, I will go to amnactionvideoplan.com.